Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to perform the texture painting for any 3D model, any avatar in iClone 8 3D animation software. So now you can see, once you already put any of the 3D model in your 3D scenes, then double click it, check the material. You should be able to see the material is set here. So far, now for this 3D model, it is only one material. What you need to do is just right click here, launch the texture, choose an image editor, then go to the desktop. You can see nothing here. Alright, for any of your image editor, it can be Microsoft Paint. At here, just right click, open the file locations. You can see the shortcut at here. Just right click, copy the shortcut, then here right click, paste. Now this is the shortcut, just double click it. Since this moment onwards, it is going to open the image editor, the texture editor at here. Let's say if I simply scribble on the face here, I save and close, it will automatically reflect on the original texture. Right. What about if next time you launch the texture, it is going to open with Microsoft Paint again. Save, close. Now look at the hands, it already have the scribble. What about if you don't want to use the Microsoft Paint, you want to reset it, to re-choose it? What you need to do is just go to my video descriptions and download the iClone texture paint setup. There is a iClone texture editor reset. Just on the way, double click the iClone texture editor reset. Double click it, choose yes, and OK. Then everything will automatically reset. If you right click, launch the texture, you can re-choose an image editor for texture painting. Go to the desktop. For here, you can put any of your software shortcut, for example, the Adobe Photoshop or Paint.net. I'm going to put another one, for example, Paint.net. Right click it, open file locations. The shortcut is set here, right click, copy. Then here, right click, paste. You can see this is another software, the Paint.net. I double click to open. Then it is going to open with Paint.net. This is another software. Let's say if I go and just do something here, I save it, click OK. This is just another software. Then it will automatically reflect on your texture as well. Next time you right click, launch texture, it is going to open with the Paint.net again. So you can open the image texture with any software as long as you just go and launch it. Download my registry, the iClone texture paint setup. Just use the reset registry, you can reset everything. And now you can see the iClone texture editor with the Microsoft Paint. If you activate and merge this registry, then it will automatically launch with Microsoft Paint. It is really easy. You can edit anytime. For example, I want to edit the eyes. Like here, you can see I save it. It is just really simple. You can do the texture paint. It's a very direct way to open with Microsoft Paint. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!